Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. Everyone makes guacamole. I'm going to show you the way I make mine. And I happen to have small, those are tiny avocado. This is what my market had today. So you going around, you bang the thing and you move it to remove this. But of course, you want them ripe for that. So sometime at the market, you have to wait. Okay, what I do with the avocado like this, I cut it in half, or in 3 pieces here, a couple of pieces there, and that's how usually, if I do a salad, I do this. So I just have to empty it in there, now it's all cut. Now one thing that someone showed me, if you wash that in cold water, that prevents it from getting discolor. It doesn't matter in that because we're going to season it with lemon juice and so forth. But if you want to do a salad and you want to keep it for a while before it discolor, wash it in cold water like this. So for that, I don't really have to cut it. I will empty it here. And yeah, I have about close to a pound of avocado here. So the avocado here, I think one of the best way is to just crush it with this. I don't like it when it's too much of a puree. And then your seasoning in there, I have about 3/4 of a tomato. I'm going to cut in 2 dice. A lot of time also people put garlic in it. Some people don't. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I don't seem to have any garlic around, so no garlic. So here I have about 3/4 of a cup of a tomato. I would say that the onion, preferably mild onion, for what I have here. At the most, you like 1/4 of a cup. I have jalapeno pepper here, and I'm going to cut the inside. Remember, this is the rib. The rib inside as well as the seed. This is really what's the strongest. And I would also always tell you that when you get those pepper, taste them, because sometimes, have a little bit of pepper. This one is pretty mild, doesn't have much taste. So again, that play with you, you put more, you put less, depending. Okay. Here I'm going to put the whole jalapeno because, as I said, doesn't have much taste. And of course some cilantro there. Coarsely chopped, and I would say a good 2 tablespoons. And to this, I want to use probably, removing the seed here, I would say a good tablespoon and a half maybe of lemon juice. It's up to you. And I would say a good 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then with that the salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. You can always taste it. That's it. And more salt. I like to present it into a nice bowl like this. All kind of variation on that. Less pepper, more pepper, no olive oil, garlic, It's a question of taste. You know, you adjust, and sometimes you do it one way, sometimes you do it another way. That's a great order I used to do, certainly, when I spent time in Mexico. My guacamole, and this, of course, with blue corn tortilla, regular corn chip, and so forth. Enjoy, and happy cooking.